Hi there, everybody in YouTube land. Got me a severely bent pipe wrench. It's a rigid model. And she's severely bent. But we're planning on trying to fix it right now. It's gonna be loud. And it's gonna be really loud, he says. But turn down your volume. Oh, that wasn't loud. All right, let's see what happens when he backs up. Okay. Oh, I think it's straight. I think it's straight. I think it's straight. Come and look at it.
Hell yeah. Yeah.
Good enough for me. Good enough for government work. Well, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. We fixed the pipe wrench we got for $10 at an auction.
Shh. We still gotta sell it.
But okay, we can sell it. We can sell it. Let's get the spray out and we'll paint it a nice bright red. We'll get new price for it. All right, I hope you enjoyed this. Like and subscribe and share with your friends. Vote Trump.